Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy or Buy. In today's video, we are comparing two smart door locks, the Eufy Smart Lock C220 and Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. We will look at features, security, pros and cons and help you decide which one is right for your home. Let's dive in. Eufy Smart Lock C220. First up, the Eufy Smart Lock C220. This lock offers multiple unlocking methods: fingerprints, keypad, app control, physical key, and voice via Alexa, Google. It's built-in Wi-Fi, no hub required, which means you can control it remotely from the Eufy app. Key points: battery life up to 8 months with 8 AA batteries according to manufacturer. Installation is reportedly straightforward. Eufy claim as 15 minutes easy install without drilling on compatible doors. It also supports up to 50 fingerprints and 100 passcodes in many reviews. On the flip side, its security rating is BHMA grade 3, not grade 1, and it may lack some of the advanced traditional U-level features you will see on more premium locks. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. Now let's talk about the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. This one is a heavyweight in the smart lock category. It features built-in Wi-Fi, no bridge need, so you can unlock from anywhere via the Schlage Home app. You can create up to 100 unique access codes and view access history, great for families or renters. Importantly, it carries a grade 1 and BHMA rating for security, durability, and finish, the highest rating for residential locks. On the downsides, it's more expensive than many locks. Its size is larger, which may matter for some doors, and some reviews note absence of certain features like geofencing. Also, user experiences report battery life around 6 months with standard use. If your top priority is the biometric access and multi-method unlocking, fingerprint plus app plus voice, at a lower price point, the Eufy C220 is very compelling. But if you want the highest rated lock, grade 1, strong durability, lots of codes, user and are okay paying for more, then the Schlage Encode pull ahead. Recommendation and final verdict. In summary, choose Eufy Smart Lock C220 if you want a fingerprint reader, want to keep cost moderate, need multiple unlock methods for family or renters. Choose Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt if you want best-in-class security, grade 1, want a large user code capacity and robust app ecosystem. Are okay depending more for premium build and brand reputation. Also check your door specs, door thickness, bore hole size, back sets. Both locks may require compatible dimension. For example, the Eufy C220 has specific door fit requirements, and remember, Wi-Fi smart locks still depending on battery power. Regular battery checks are wise. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more gadgets reviews, and hit the bell to get notified of new uploads. Thanks for watching Buy or Buy, and I will see you in the next one. Stay secure.